Honda's latest entry provides to be the adventure bike for the beginners, as Honda's latest entry, NX200, provides to be a reliable and affordable adventure ride. Inspired by the larger CB500X, it is built with striking designs that endure the adventure in any terrain. Power up with 184.4cc air-cooled F1 engine, the Honda NX200 produces 17.3 horsepower at 8,500 rpm and 16.1 Nm torque at 6,000 rpm, making it thrill up for adventure. Even being a affordable adventure bike, it comes with full LED specs including digital console, LED headlights, side indicators, and hazard light to make it up to date for any adventurous journey. To navigate any adventurous terrain, the Honda NX200 comes with upside down front fork and monoshock on rear suspension. Also, the single channel ABS and 17-inch alloy wheel with tubeless tires makes a comfortable and balanced ride on every adventure. Even being full of specs and features, the Honda NX200 is available at just price Rs 4,79,900 at Honda showroom. Now explore the world on reliable and affordable adventure bikes.